Our first install of the day is a 2021 Ford Ranger. Now this one is for a business called Hoop Clip, and we are thankful that we were able to tint this truck for him. So right now there's nothing on the windows, it's just clear glass on the back as well. There's no factory tint, which usually isn't the case for most vehicles. So we ended up installing our black ceramic 15% on the front two doors, black ceramic 5% on the rear doors and the back glass, and then the same black ceramic tint package in 50% on the entire windshield. This gives plenty of privacy without going like crazy dark, especially on the windshield. We like a 50% because it's not too dark, and it helps cut down on the sun glare, and still allows you to see out good at nighttime. For our second job of the day, we had in a 2024 Aston Martin DB12, and this vehicle is a beautiful blue color. I don't think we got the color name, but it's a very pretty blue color. I love it. So on this vehicle, the customer really didn't want any dark tint. The customer was more concerned with getting infrared heat rejection and blocking out UV, so that's why we applied our i3 multi-layer ceramic in one of the lighter shades, which is a 56%. He was used to having a 50% on his older vehicles, and so on this one, a 56 wasn't too far off because he wanted that extra heat rejection. And then on the windshield, we did a 70% as well, since that's as close to clear as possible, while still getting the top grade heat blocking that our ceramic offers. As always, we appreciate you checking out this video. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to our channel. If you're in our area of Denver, North Carolina, swing by, call, email, text if you want a quote. We're here.